Into this video, we are going to see how to generate license tracking report in BHCO. To generate a license report, access the BHCO console. Navigate to Administration, System, Maintenance page, and access the Maintenance Activities tab. The rows for the license tracking utility, press play. The license tracking overview page displays. Hit Next. The host selection page for license tracking displays. Hit Proceed. The license tracking utility runs and generates the license report. The maintenance activity page refreshes, and the license tracking report in the table displays an updated execution date and status. To access the report, ensure that the status of the license tracking record shows Ended. Click the View Logs button to view the deployment log. In the deployment logs for the license tracking utility, click the Download button to download a zip file that contains the license.xml and license.html summary files and other detailed report files. For more details on how license tracking usage works, access the license tracking usage of your environment page on the official documentation that is linked into the video summary. Thank you for watching and have a great day.